Today we're taking a Tuesday night jaunt with Ste Brown over to Lancashire to Pendle Hill. Never been here before. I've got a route off Strava, the sun's shining, not going to take a pack. It's just a 6-mile loop. I'll leave a link in the description to the actual route for Strava. We're not sure what to expect, but I think there's 2 big climbs, 2 descents. There's Ste Brown faffing. Lucky enough to be on this bad boy today. It's the Orbea Rallon 2022. Led to me by Leisure Lakes in Bury. First ride, I've set the suspension up. I hope. We'll see how it goes. So we're going for mountain bike, navigation, courses, safe courses. So we took a right on the fork and we're heading our way up straight into the climb. Doesn't seem to be any respite yet, does it, Ste? Steve's on the transition spur, is it? Spire? That he's made himself, a big hitting trail bike that he decided to pedal up a massive hill. We've got no idea where we're going really. I was told by locals it's best to come in the evening. It gets busy with walkers in the day, and especially the weekend. Bit of navigational error. The sat nav saying turn round, but we think it's over to there. I can see a trail at the corner, so worst case it'll bring us back to where we want to be. So we should be going all the way up here, I think, which doesn't look pleasant as a climb. Keep climbing, nearly at the top. 500 feet to go. Beautiful scenery up here. Still a bit boggy on the floor though. Hopefully we'll get to the start of our first descent. Not done a descent on this bike yet, but I must admit I've set the suspension a bit hard. I counted from the camelback. I'm not going on, so it's a bit pumped up. Well, it should be. I counted for 90 kilograms, but it should be 85, 82. Never know what's over the edge. Checking. Don't want to go in there. May look like slow motion, but I've got no idea where I'm going. I think I'll be a bit of slow motion to me. I can't see what we're coming up. Oh, hang on. Make sure you don't lose your Garmin, Ste. My feet are dry. Just speak too soon. Pro tip, push from the back of the seat. There you go, dead easy. So we descended over there before and all the way down the valley. Come all the way back up. This is brutal, this. Storm alert. Never good. I'll make a left turn at this gate, I guess. After some nav consultation, we're not going through the gate. We're going up here. This ground is boggy, just enough to zap the life out of you. It's definitely paying for the pleasure today. The wilderness jaunt. Oh no, it's not look good. This better be good. Never know what lies beneath, but I think we're heading for that gate and then take a right. Hopefully we won't end up in the next town over from the car. Don't think it gets a lot of use, this, wherever it may be. No. Don't know if this is a trap, but it ain't going to be good for your tyres. Right down there. There she is, the Rallion and the stallion, Ste Brown. Let's have a glance at the nav. Looks like we're on the right track. I think I wanted to get high there. Don't want to let it get away from me because I don't know what's coming. Wow, this is pretty good. Don't think I want to get down those rocks. Well, I'm impressed with that, that was mega. Oh, got some of my nettles. It's just an absolutely epic descent all the way down there. There is a rock channel and also like the smoothness. Ste, excellent one, it was really good.
Really good run, that,
paid
yeah.
a lot to get to it, a lot of elevation. We'll come down, we should be heading back to the car now, but that was awesome.
Really good ride, that. It was a brilliant descent.
Looks like we've got another climb, Stevie. You can see the trail, it's just basically straight on, I think. Over the hill, far away. Turns out we're parked over there. I thought we were going right over the bloody hill and back to the other side. Woo! We could have parked in this car park, but we parked a bit further down. Panicked when we first saw the first car parking space. We thought, ah, we'll have that. No skids, not my tyres. 1 hour 20 minutes to do 6 miles. Yeah, that was a lot. What was the elevation? Beep, 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 beep. Checking stats. Beep, 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 beep.
468 metres.
468 metres. Quick maths, about 1,500 feet I think. It felt more, I'll tell you that. But wow, that was great. I'm sure there's loads to be had on this hill. We just found 2 there, 2 big climbs, 2 big descents. Definitely worth it. Some of the best descents I've done in ages. We'll be back. I was on the Orbea Rallon today. It was given to me by Leisure Lakes Berry. Excellent. Maybe a bit hard on the suspension, but it made it poppy and lively. Brilliant. If I got an e-bike, oh, I'd do laps for days on here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the Strava below. I'll also do a full run raw videos of the 2 descents as well, if you want to spend 3 minutes watching what looks like slow motion. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye from Ste Brown as well.
Hi.
Just turned my camera on by accident, putting it in the car.